A very good morning to you all. I am Dr.N.Rajasree, Assistant Professor of Economics, Pengil Government College for Women, Vadapalli, Warangal. Dear students, today you are going to learn about NITI Aayog. Okay, what is NITI Aayog? NITI Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. Okay, that is NITI Aayog. So first you should know what is this, why they have introduced this NITI Aayog, why they have established this NITI Aayog. You should know that. So NITI Aayog, that is NITI we call, as established by the Government of India as a replacement for Planning Commission. Before that we used to have the Planning Commission. So in place of that we had this NITI Aayog, and it has been formed on the basis of extensive consultations across the stakeholders, namely state governments and relevant institutions and experts and the people at large. So try to remember about that, who has been established this, why they have established this NITI Aayog. Okay, and they prepared what in 8th 5-year plan, they prepared a document, the Standing Committee on the Finance, and its report on the demand for the grants in the year 2011 and 12, and the former Prime Minister and the noted economist, you know about the Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay, he accepted in his farewell address to the Planning Commission in 2014 and have sought appropriate changes in Planning Commission. So as a result, what happened of these aspirations of NITI Aayog has been established to provide a critical and also the directional and strategical inputs to the development process. Okay, remember about what is NITI Aayog, why, and everything about the who is the economists who have given much importance to this NITI Aayog. Okay, and the next we see the nature of NITI Aayog. So what is this? First, we can see the Planning Commission era has witnessed center to state one-way flow of policy from central government to state government. Okay, and it seeks the genuine, also the continuing partnership of the center and the Indian states. Okay, that's the first, the nature of the NITI Aayog. And secondly, we can see that it will emerge as a think and tank, okay, to provide strategically and also technically advice to the central and the state governments. So this NITI Aayog will give the guidance to the central and also to the state governments. Okay, and the next we see what is the next third one, that it helps to evolve and also the promote and the strengthen the cooperative federalism, believing that strong states make a strong nation. So that is the main purpose of establishing this. And next one we can see it develops mechanisms, okay, to formulate village level plans and integrate them at higher levels of government. So that is like village level plans, how to do and everything they plan, and also they integrate with the government, higher levels of government. And the next we see that it ensures that all sections of the society would benefit adequately from economic processes. So the sections, because you know about the sections of society, richer section and the poorer section and the middle class, we have the three sections in the people and the society. Okay, three sections of people are there. All are not rich now. Okay, the poor section is there, and middle section is there, and richer section, higher section. Okay, so here this NITI Aayog, it will provide the benefit for the adequately provide for the economic processes or the development. And next we see that what the NITI Aayog will do, it will create a knowledge. Okay, innovation. What is innovation? Invention of new things. Okay, new technology aspects, development of everything, the modernization, everything, the technological changes, that is called as innovation, and entrepreneurial support through the collaborations. So try to remember about the nature, what is the how the NITI Aayog will function and how it takes the responsibility of developing the society. And next we see it acts as a platform for resolution of intersectorial and also the interdepartmental issues to accelerate the development. So remember, for the intersectorial and also for interdepartmental issues, now for development purpose also it plays a very important role. And next it is to monitor and also evaluate the implementation of programs and also focus on upgradation and also the capacity building. Okay, for that purpose also the NITI Aayog will play a very important role. So you got an idea about the nature, how the NITI Aayog and the planning commission era has witnessed from center to state one-way flow of policy, and think tank, and it evolve, promote and also strengthen the cooperative federalism. Okay, and also the village level plans, and also it benefits adequately from economic processes. And the next we see what are the basic objectives of NITI Aayog. So firstly we can see the to change the role of government from provider of the first and the last resort to that of an enabler. Okay, the first role is the role of government from provider of the first and the last resort to that of enabler. And secondly we see to focus on a mix of agriculture production with the food security at the base to the benefit of the farmers. And next we see to ensure that India is active player in the deliberations on the global issues. Okay, and next we see to utilize the economically vibrant middle class in the process of production and also to realize their potential in full. So these are main objectives we can see. First, the role of government from provider of the first and the last resort, and it focuses about the agricultural production also with food security, because food security is a must. Okay, at the base of to the benefit of the farmers. And the next we see to leverage entrepreneurial, scientific and intellectual human capital, and to incorporate the non-resident Indian community in the process of development, to enhance the use of modern technology in growing the urban centers for making them secure habitats. And next we see to promote the good governance through the use of technology. So these are the good governance is very important, because with the technology only we can make that. Okay, and also the modern technology also plays a very important role. And next you can see the organization structure of this NITI Aayog. So here the organization of how it organizes network expertise on the focusing on the functionality. Remember, the chairperson will be there, that is a prime minister, and the vice chairman will be there and will be appointed by the prime minister. Prime minister will appoint the vice chairman person. Okay, and over the members, the full-time members will be there and the part-time members, and two from research institutions, leading universities on rotational basis. So here the members, who are the members also, you should know that. Okay, and next we can see the ex officio members. Ex officio members, maximum 4 from the Union Council of Ministers, to be appointed by the Prime Minister, and the chief executive officers to be appointed by the Prime Minister for a fixed tenure in the rank of security to the Government of India. And you can remember about the organization, that is a chairperson will be there and the vice chairperson, members, full-time members and the part-time members will be there, and who are the ex officio members. So you got an idea about that? Okay. Next, we see the government governing what is a council. It comprises of chief ministers of all the states. Okay, chief ministers of all the states and also the governors of union territories. And the regional councils also, what they'll do, they'll address specific issues Okay, and contingencies impacting more than one state or region. So regional councils have also specified the tenures and they've evolved strategies and overall implementation. They are headed by one of the chief ministers of the group, and they also have the central ministers, experts, and the academic institutions as also the members. And they have a support cell in the NITI Aayog secretariat, and the state governments drive to the national agenda through the regional councils. So remember about the structure, organization structure of NITI Aayog, because it's very important. Okay, and how the functions, what are the functions of NITI Aayog. So this is very important. What the NITI Aayog, how it will function. Okay, you should know about that. So firstly, we can see that it will facilitate to transform India into cooperative and competitive federalism, and the national agenda is provided to the Prime Minister and Chief Ministers for development along with priorities and also the strategies. Okay. Are you able to follow these points? You have to remember it introduces the bottom-up model, okay, through decentralized planning, and it prepares vision and also the scenario plans for the states and also the nation, okay, and it prepares the domain strategies with experts to assist the central and also the state ministries, and it serves as a knowledge and also the innovation hub by accumulating and disseminating research and the best practices. Okay, it augurs on integrated and the holistic approach to the development. It also resolves interstate and intersectorial conflicts. So remember about the functions, how it will function, and it serves as a nodal agency for harnessing the global expertise and resources. It acts as a consultant to the central and also to the state government. So this NITI Aayog will give the guidance, and also it will give it will concern, okay, central and the state governments on the policies, programs, and the skills in the governance, and it enables the capacity building and also the technology upgradation. So finally, it monitors the implementation of the policies and also the programs, and also it evaluates their impact. So dear students, try to give importance like about the what is NITI Aayog and how it will function and what is the structure. Okay, these are the very important, because from the examination point of view, definitely they'll ask this NITI Aayog. They'll ask what is the pattern and what are the functions and what are the objectives. Okay, everything you must able to learn and remember the points. Okay, and this is very important. Like you know about the Planning Commission, in which year it was established? In 1950 it was there, and in place of that they have used all this that is every, we used to have 5-year plans every 5 years. We used to have one 5-year plan. Okay, but in place of that now this NITI Aayog has been established. So try to remember about these points, and better like you can see the what is that, in which unit it will come, and you have to remember about the sectors also is very important, about the agriculture and the industry and also the service sectors, how it will function, and what are the important things like we need for to develop our economy. So when sectors develops only, our economy will develop. Okay, and also you can see the how the sections of people are there in our economy. And only less one section of people are not there in our economy. We have middle, what is that, poorer section, okay, and the middle section and the rich section. So accordingly, what the government has to the collaboration, that is with the central and the state governments, they'll have the collaborations, and accordingly they have to develop the economy. Everything planning only plays a very important role. So already you know in your real life, with the planning only we can develop, and also a systematic planning is as we require for the 5-year plans now, what to do and how to do and how to develop. We used to give that what is the target and how much we have to achieve, the GDP and other things, what to develop and to which sector they gave importance. First 5-year plan given importance to uh, agriculture, and the second 5-year plan industry, like that na. If you see the every 5-year plan, some objectives will be there. That is, during these 5 years, what we have to achieve, how we have to develop our economy. That is a very important role like 5-year plans will do. And so accordingly, well, like you can see in your real life also, planning only place what do you come to the college. So here you there you plan what to do and how to do, and what are the things you have to take into consideration, what is important for you, and you have accordingly the process will be. So in the same manner, even our 5-year plans also, it does the same thing. So try to focus on this, what is this Niti Aayog and the functions. Okay, students, thank you very much.